Did you know elephants are nature's ultimate landscapers? They reshape their environment in fascinating ways. Elephants are more than just residents of their habitats. They are ecosystem engineers. By knocking over trees, they create open spaces. This action transforms dense forests into grasslands. These new grasslands become homes for many other animals. Species like antelopes and zebras thrive here. Elephants help maintain biodiversity by creating these habitats. Even their footprints serve a purpose. They collect rainwater, forming tiny waterholes. These waterholes support frogs, insects, and birds. Every step an elephant takes changes the ecosystem. Nature's giant engineers are always at work. Subscribe for more wild facts.